It's recording. Do you want to explain?
We're doing a stakeout, looking for pigeons, and they're flying over us right now because one of them has a tag on it that we're trying to catch. I've got my net.
We've been doing this for about 2 hours. We've been looking for this pigeon all day. And we thought, we'll do a stakeout. There's 3 on the room. There's none down there.
I can hear the wings flapping around.
They're all up there.
Yeah. It's casually eating. We've been here for like 5 minutes, and 3 of them have come back. But none of them are the ones we're looking for.
I don't know if I got them at all.
It doesn't matter.
We'll see you in another 5 minutes. That's where we thought things couldn't get any worse. There's a turkey right in front of us mating.
Get a room! Oh my goodness.
It's really awkward. Shall I do an update?
Yeah.
We have 2 more pigeons here and it's not the one we want.
We're getting too smart for it.
So we'll see you in a bit.
So this is Tylah vlogging. Sorry about the whispering, but we're still staking out the pigeons. Jade is making her way over to that area. Where's my finger for that area? To see if she can see him. We've got pigeons there. Where's my finger? Like there and there. But they're not the ones we're looking for. Can you see them? Is what? So where's that, the car park? Neither do I. It's getting really difficult, and it is extremely frustrating to try and get these animals like where you want them to be.
I thought a jackdaw was a pigeon.
Everything looks like a pigeon when you're looking for a pigeon.
No, can't say any.
No.
Don't know where they're coming from, they're just appearing.
We'll do updates soon.
It has been, how long has it been again?
Like 45 minutes.
Since we've been trying to find this pigeon. I keep seeing it in our corridor that's outside our barn, and we're just having more and more scope.
That's nice.
And we thought we saw it, but no, we didn't. 2.
We should press the play button.
Yay! Still trying to find that pigeon. It's not working. Come to the conclusion, if we make a noise with the food, they should come here. As you can see.
That white one just keeps coming back.
But that's the wrong pigeon. This is very frustrating. Just filming you standing there. There's a pigeon coming over. Did you catch one? That cheer was her catching a chicken, not a pigeon.
And who doesn't want to be caught today?
This is Ethel.
There's food involved.
That is Ethel.
She doesn't want it.
It's not working.
And it's on. So that's creepy. So we never got to catch our pigeon,
Never.
which is really frustrating.
It was taunting us though.
It was. It kept flying around. There's some people over there looking at us. It's that car. Pretend we're taking a selfie. Gangsters. What they got right now? Oh my god, I think they're coming this way. Back in a minute. You can see them like just in the background right there. That was really awkward. 2 minutes of us just being awkward. Oh,
Anyway.
I smelled weed as well. I think it's making weed. My lips are so red.
Anyway,
No.
I can't remember what we were saying. What were we saying?
Pigeon. We didn't catch the pigeon.
No.
It's
taunting
nesting
us.
on top of one of our buildings, but we couldn't catch it. It was so frustrating.
What else did we do today?
Killing birds.
We've had to sadly kill a chicken.
We put it down. We humanely, well, not really humanely, euthanized it.
As humane as we can get out of a farm. We
Yeah.
killed it. Euthanized it. It
Yeah.
was ill,
That was really
and it
ill,
was non-recoverable.
as far as we're aware.
So
It's the worst thing is that we called the judgment. We said, I said anyway, I think it's dying, because it did look like it was dying.
Well, it had a prolapse.
Yeah, but they can recover from a prolapse. It's been, I've seen worse,
Yeah.
where it's been like proper hanging out.
Sorry.
This is farm conversations. Sometimes you have to do things.
Any
That's just
animal-
benefit for the animal.
Any
You just
animal
have to.
people out there who's going to tell us, you should have done that, you should have left it. Shut up. I know what we're doing.
Just shut up.
We know what we're doing.
Yeah. It was beneficial for the animal at the time.
Yes. What else did we do?
Nothing really, because there's not really much to do.
No. That's all we did. All we've been doing is finding dead animals today. We've sadly found a dead canary.
Yeah,
dead
baby
baby
one.
canary. That's interesting. And then poked it.
Yeah, you gotta have it.
Is it dead?
Is it dead? You have to make sure. Because
That was
sometimes
our-
I've picked animals up before, especially like rabbits and guinea pigs, where I've thought they've been dead, but they've just been sleeping, because rabbits and guinea pigs obviously go into like a really deep sleep.
Yeah.
And I've had them and I've been like, is it
Well,
dead?
hamsters are the worst because they hibernate.
Yeah.
And they actually look like they're dead.
Well,
'cause
they're not
they'll
meant to hibernate.
No, they're not meant to.
Tall
But
ball.
they do.
I look I'm really
Their
lipstick
breathing
in the
goes
camera
really shallow.
because it looks yellow. Dying.
Oh, that face. Beautiful.
What else do my makeup? Lovely.
Nice. And we've just sadly said goodbye to our lambs.
Our lammies. Who?
Our borrowed lambs.
Yeah, they're going back to their farm tomorrow.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going back to their farm tomorrow.
No, we don't know though, because they might be mutton.
Well, we hope they're mutton.
If they're mutton, they'll live a long life, because
Yeah.
mutton's adult sheep, whereas lamb is obviously.
They'll get a good few years.
Yeah.
Lambs, they'll probably just get a month. This is really depressing.
It's a depressing vlog, but that's our life, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Animal care.
And then college tomorrow.
My hair is not on point today. What was Tony saying? Did I have a hair on my nose? What Tony was saying? I didn't even know. My face is so
Look,
flared up.
like, this is what we find in our hair.
You had like a whole freaking bag of
I know, I
shavings
had
in
a-
your hair. I picked them all
I
out.
don't know how. I wasn't working with shavings. Was I?
It was from, I don't know. Oh, I found another bit. When you go in the bath and you take your hair out. I always take my hair out in the bath
If
because
you do animal care, and wear
it's
a
just
top,
like floating hay
No.
and shavings and shit.
that.
Not literal shit. There's a guy over there. I don't know if you can see him. Probably not. He's giving us weird looks up behind with here. And then it doesn't quite look like we're talking to ourselves.
Yeah, but it's okay. 'cause it's
Some bread over there.
That's ours.
I hope
We
it's
haven't had a bread delivery in 3 weeks, so I think that is ours.
No, we have. I'm sure
we?
we have, yeah.
Not in a couple of weeks. We didn't have one last week.
No.
Then again, we didn't have any food last week, and we don't have any food this week.
Sometimes the deliveries are just bad, depending on what people have got in. It's like what we
This
had last
vlog
year.
is full of random stuff.
Yeah.
This is what we're like.
This is just staying home from work while waiting for my mother to come pick us up and started chatting.
I mean, last time we talked about memes. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's snowing.
Oh my god, it's magic!
Oh my god, it's magic.
Yeah, that's what we're doing last time, just wetting ourselves just for the fact that we make ourselves laugh.
Magic.
Oh my god!
What else do we talk about?
It's Doge. Oh my god, it's
Doge.
Doge!
Oh my god, it's Doge.
Such fun many
I
wow.
like that one. Oh my god, it's Doge.
Dreading college tomorrow.
If we can on Wednesday, we'll make another video.
Yeah. We'll probably have loads of
You
free
won't
time.
know about this video that we've already done because it's not up yet.
I know. The pallets that we're sitting on just like collapsed.
That was scary.
That made me jump.
Anyway, we have made a video. It's just
Mum's
not
got
up
dead.
yet.
Yeah, I'll upload one tonight or both of them.
You can't upload both of them,
I've got 2 on mine.
have you?
I've got 20 questions and 50 questions, random questions.
Okay, I've got.
I might try and
I've
put
got
them together.
Would you rather?
I want to watch that because I haven't watched that one yet since we filmed it.
We'll have to watch it tomorrow because I need to send it.
Yeah.
There will be coming a. I can't remember what I was going to say.
Or would you rather?
Coming up will be a would you rather video. We have done it.
I don't remember any of the questions either.
Oh, I do. And they're weird.
Oh goodness. I don't remember. I remember
They're
one that was
weird.
like, I don't know.
But most of it was just showing
I've
how
heard some-
much of a gold digger we are.
Yeah, I
So
remember.
the last question was
Gold
the last
diggers.
question saying, would you rather have a talking animal or a hot guy? And we were both like, yeah, talking animal. But then I was like, what if the hot guy's rich?
Yeah. I'll try and upload the other 2 I've got together.
And we
if
will
they flow.
be
And if not, we'll just upload them
Doing
separately.
a taste test kind of video soon. I have money for the sweets.
Me too. We can get some tomorrow and just like.
We're
I guess we
in
can
the
do
process
like.
of buying them.
And we're currently in the process of figuring out what we're going to do.
Yeah.
I think we should do like, not a series, but like. Oops, sorry. Like if we buy like one each tomorrow and try them.
Yeah.
And like do them all on different days rather than buying like shitloads at the same time. Because if we don't like something, we're going to waste it.
See, we're gonna have to do it in the same. We can do it at lunchtimes. I was gonna
That's
say
what I mean.
it's gonna have to be in the same environment. We're gonna be wearing different clothes. And
No, but it would be okay because we'll just be like, oh, today we're going to be tasting such and such.
Okay, well we can go to Primark tomorrow. Not Primark, Pound Shop tomorrow,
Primark.
and get them.
Reese's Pieces.
Yes, Reese's Pieces.
Yeah. That is not my mother.
That's
I really
not
did
your
think that.
car either.
I know. I was going to say. It's not my car. I'm not going to show you my car. Oh, you will stalk me. I'm talking to people on YouTube. I'm not going to show them my car.
Hi people on YouTube.
This is a very awkward vlog.
No. Sorry.
This is just us. We spend 90% of our time just waiting around. That was my name.
And then the rest of the time we're just like, and again it's
Oh my god, it's magic!
and again it's Doug.
Oh my god, it's Doug!
And then what else do we talk about?
Just random shit. Cannibalism.
Auto-cannibalism.
Auto-cannibalism. It's the way I want to die. Auto-cannibalism.
Yeah.
For those of you that don't know what auto-cannibalism is, it means eating yourself to death. I'm vegetarians, but people. I'm okay with people.
People do it. Hey, animal care people ask if anything's edible.
That's a good point. Can you eat it?
Is this a fly?
Same with
Can you eat
entomology. You see people on the entomology forums just like, I found this in my back garden. Can I eat it?
Is it edible?
It's a moth, and you're like, no, I wouldn't eat that if I was you.
Is it edible?
Yeah, I've got 4 snails. Can you eat them? Yes, of course you can.
Yeah, yes, you can.
Interesting.
It's not good.
It's good. Oh, I just got shivers. Someone just walked over my grave. I wasn't shimmying. I had shivers. Oh my goodness, I'm
This
cold.
is the most awkward vlog ever.
I've got like shorts on and it's fucking freezing.
We thought we were going to go out for the day,
I know.
but it turns out we didn't.
To do a farm event, and I was going to vlog that as well. Or, well, parts of it,
Yeah.
depending when we weren't working.
But we didn't end up going. There will be a vlog for Ollerton Towers in a couple of weeks, because we're going to vlog that, aren't we? We're
Yes.
going to try. We're going to
No.
vlog some of it.
I can't vlog all his mum. We can't vlog on the rides, but we can vlog like going around.
She
And
didn't
we
see
have to
you.
go because my mother's here. Okay, bye!